so ngicela ukuthole red card after
season leyo wathola 3 ama red card. Platinum Stars yaba nenkinga ene iba nenkinga uqeda ukusayina icontract ya 5 years. Kuyini leyo coach uBucks afuna indlela afuna nidlale ngayo? Kwamambala sibuyile mbukeli mlaleli sisekundleni kanike namhlanje sikhamba no captain esicema seKaizer Stars uSiphamandla wakwamlilo indoda yavumbuluka lapha eRustenburg esicemeni ngesePlatinum Stars kumaTaxi sekabuya khona nalapha eSwatini kuMbabane Highlanders nakhona sekabuya khona before uMamkhize ayithenga. Siphamandla captain
unjani bhuti?
siyakwamukela mfo uGrand.
Ngibonga kakhulu, ngithanda ukubonga ithuba, ngithanda ukubonga nabalaleli futhi yathama.
No siyasithokoza kakhulu ngokuthi usiboleke isikhathi sakho sokuthi uzokuhlala nathi la. Isindebele sakho siza njani? Udlalela iKaizer kuphela?
Siza kahle izindebele siyami, siyakhamba kancane, siza kahle ya.
So ukhuluma amalimi engaki ndoda phela uyakhamba wena?
Ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma mhlawumbe 4-5 ngiyakwazi ukuyakhuluma amalimi akhona. Izindebele kancane.
Yeah. Ngisho njalo ngombana ubuya wena udabuka kwaZulu Natal.
Yebo.
Umzulu.
Yebo ba.
eRustenburg bekukhulunywa isiTswana, ePitori kukhulunywa isiPitori, eSwatini kukhulunywa iSwati. Ukuhamba ungena konke la.
Yeah, I think uma umdlalo webhola kumele uyimisele ukuthi ukwazi ukufunda ama-language amaningi because of akukho possible ukuthi udlale nabantu bakwaZulu Natal kuphela ethimini. Kumele udlale nabantu ababuye eRustenburg, onke ama-province kahle la ecountryn yethu. So kunzima ukuwafunda lama-language kodwa esikhathini esiningi kubalulekile ukuthi uwafunda.
Yeah man. Kunjani ke estradeni nawukhamba ngamalanga la abalandeli beOrlando Pirates? I mean waphakama iOrlando Amstel Arena iphuphuma wabetha ipenalty lokuthoma ngakubona uchichirizela nebhola elinye lika Nemtanjela kabuhlungu laba. Kunjani nawukhamba estradeni nekhenu nge result lamhluka?
Akusafani na before ukuthi ungadlula kuphela abantu bangakurecognize. I think kusho okukhulu kakhulu kuthina abadlali beKaizer Stars ngoba italent lethu lisenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuphila and kumele silithathe serious kakhulu ngoba sinalo italent lesinike uNkulunkulu, kumele silisebenzise ngendlela eright ukuthi sokwazi ukupromote i-team ngoba iyo i-challenge esisele nayo manje.
Hey ndoda i-challenge since igame le yeOrlando Pirates kuhle solo niphume ngaphakathi kweNedbank Cup khena khamba imidlalo emithathu yonke ningathumbi kuMutsipe Foundation Championship. Abantu abaningi bathi no bebazenza ngathi bayabetha bazibona babethe inhlaba ezikulu kuBetway Premiership ngaphakathi nakade niqala nina nibone ngathi mhlawumnye besele nithikamezwa yini la eligini eMutsipe Foundation?
I think after iNedbank na way before sayidlala iNedbank ama-game weNedbank I think ayi-platform right kakhulu for abadlali ukuthi bakwazi ukubonwa for ama-national call-ups, abanye ama-under 23 bakwazi ukuthi balwele i-country for ama-under 23. Kodwa esikhathini esiningi mina into engiyifundile ngaye-Nedbank this season ama-team amaningi akwazile ukusiplanela because of besidlala ku-TV esikhathini esiningi. So kube nzima kakhulu masiceda ukudlala nePirates because of le game yayibukwa wonke umuntu. Abantu abaningi bakwazile ukubona ukuthi iKaizer idlala kanjani, ipenetrate kanjani, idefenda kanjani. Kodwa thina sabadlali sesize ngestrategy esinye sokuthi sazi ukuthi kumele sifake enye percentage ngaphezulu ukuthi sokwazi ukuwina imidlalo.
uThombeni uBucks ucoach wenu unjani nawu uchazela umuntu ongasebenzi naye usitshela ukuthi unjani begodi ufuna nidlale njani tactically uncoach ufuna nidlale njani. I mean usebenze ngaphasi kwabo coach abanye abasezingeni abo Roger Disau uya ku World Cup, Kevin Johnson sekabuya kubo Al Ahly. tactically namkha khuyini le coach uBucks afuna indlela afuna nidlale ngayo.
I think ucoach Bucks into engizoyisho ngayo ukuthi uma umdlali udlalela iKaizer Stars eh uyazi ukuthi unobaba uye ekhaya elifudumele njalo and ubaba ukube uzokwenza umdlali ufile wathi akekho umdlalo omunye ozokuhlula. Esikhathini esiningi ucoach ubelievela ukuthi umdlali kumele ayimisele ngaso sonke isikhathi. Asisekho isikhathi sokurelax ebholeni. Kuyomele siphushe njalo. And esikhathini esiningi ucoach ubelievela ukuthi we must be quick on the ball. Like masiphethe ibhola kuyomele sisheshe because of mawushesha uwenza ukuthi opponent ibe uncomfortable ukuthi izokwazi ukwenza amaphutha, then you will be manage ukuthi uthola amagoli, uthola ama-foul, uthola ama-penalty. So esikhathini esiningi yena usidlalisa ibhola high intensity and isiza kakhulu le bhola le because of ama-opponent esikhathini esiningi abakwazi ukusimatcha.
Yeah. Ngale kokuba i-coach kuyabonakala ukuthi ngathi njengomuntu osuka from iposition yokuba mphathi nakho konke lokho ukuthi ngathi unikela more than just football tactics.
Yeah, I think futhi uyasikhulisa njengey'ngane zakhe ukuthi ekugcineni it's not all about football. Ibholo lizophela. After football uzoba ubaba onjani towards umndeni wakho, uzophatha umndeni wakho kanjani. And futhi enye into asisiza kakhulu ngayo ukuthandaza ukusifundisa uNkulunkulu because of uyabona neslogan sethu ukuthi up the
Yeah.
believers.
Yes.
I think uyenza kakhulu le ukuthi ekugcineni bafethu italent leli silithola kuNkulunkulu kuyomele sibelivele kuyena ukuthi ekugcineni sokwazi ukuphumelela ngoba ngeke siphumelele ngaphandle koNkulunkulu. Ungaba nalo italent kodwa uma ungayimiselanga ungabelieve angeke uachieve into ofuna ukuzi-achieve ebholeni.
Yeah, ubuya kwaZulu Natal kodwa na uthole ikontraka yakho yokuthoma professionally esichimeni sePlatinum Stars. Ufika kanjani eNorthwest eRustenburg?
I think mina ngingathanda ukubonga kakhulu ubaba wami because of ubaba wami wangivulela iplatform ngokusebenza emamayinini waseRustenburg. Wasebenza emamayini waseRustenburg waya lapha 1986. Then kwabalula kakhulu for thina ukuthi sisuke lesothola amathuba ngala. So ngaya eRustenburg ngenhlanhla iPlatinum Stars yathenga iSilver Stars. Kwaba le process ukuthi kumele bavule i-development. Kwahamba lesikhathi leso masiloku kuvula i-development ngaba nenhlanhla ngathathwa i-development. Ngathola futhi ne-platform egude kakhulu which is i-foundation ye-football through abantu kube bazi ibholo ngezingeni liphezulu babuya eBrazil bebayibiza bathi Samba Soccer. They manage ukuthi basisize into eziningi like ama-basic, how to pass the ball, uvula umzimba wakho kanjani, uread igame kanjani. I think bangisize kakhulu eRustenburg ePlatinum Stars because of ngoba ngekho namhlanje la ngikhona.
Yeah. So nakuceda ukuthengwa iSilver Stars ngo-2010.
Yeah.
iPlatinum Stars ifuna ukuthoma i-development so
Yeah.
babiza amajita eBrazil
Yeah.
ukuthi kube ngiwa zokuleya i-foundation
Yeah.
ye-development
Yeah.
yePlatinum Stars uzithola ke ulapho ngibapha abanye abadlali mhlawumnye namhlanje sibabonako kumabonwakude namkhesele babeke phasi ekadeni nabo ngaleso sikhathi leso sabakhumbulayo.
I think bambalwa kakhulu. Omunye ongizoqala ngayo uGiftlings.
Giftlings.
Udlala eBraga, is doing good.
Yeah, man.
Yena vele bekamnandi vele kusuka vele ku-development. Abokwabamela uGodisang, abo Cyril Chibwe, manje uvimbela i-Obit, i-goalkeeper. Abo Sipho Mnguni, ubani omunye, baningi kakhulu bhuti wami. Just that abanye ngibakhohlile because of, to be honest, le development beyenza kakhulu iproduce abadlali abaningi kakhulu because of they were doing their job lamajita lawayana and i-platform yabo like isize kakhulu abadlali abaningi.
Yeah, and vele bengisahlala ngizibuza ngithi yini lento beyi-special kangaka ngePlatinum Stars. bowukhona ukubona isikhulukhulu ngesikhathi saka Kevin Johnson bekuhlale kunekwekwezana umsanyana omncane ovelelako ama-players amaningi nje apholishwako ku Platinum Stars kungitshela ukuthi mhlawumnye kunama-structures amahle ngemvapho bobana abantu bebakhi ku-development ye-Platinum Stars ngalezo ngikhathi lezo.
I think abantu bebakhi kakhulu kwi-development ye-Platinum Stars. It was Kevin Johnson, Mr. Allen Freeze and uKeabethu Diale kunomunye usisi bekuwusisi wesifazane nje ucoachile ne-MDC usicoachile ku-DTC ye-Platinum Stars. I think ba-sacrifice kakhulu for ukuthi sibe khona la sikhona namhlanje in terms of ukuthi sibe abadlali abadiscipline abadlali abade-dedication ukuthi bayaphi ngebhola like mawungabheka in terms of reading the game thina abadlali like bebadlala ku-Platinum Stars it was a key point le bebayi-emphasize every day masisejimini ukuthi mawudlala ibhola you must be able ukuthi u-read igame even though ibhola lingekho kuwe because of into ebalulekile is to defend.
Yeah.
Because of even today it's not difficult for umuntu ukuthi a-defend but the difficult part ukuthi umuntu akwazi uku-read igame esikhathini esiningi.
Ngiyo iphathi ebonakala inzima. Upromothwa ninike unangaki into the first team ye-Platinum Stars begodi upromothwa ngubani kusithatha usibuyisele kuleso sikhathi leso la utshelwa khona ukuthi ndoda wena phela nje sokuza ngapha ngaku first team.
There was a time isikhathi it was 2013. 2013 bengifunda grade 10 eBafokeng High School khona le Rustenburg. The time isodlala I think bekuyigame number 4 yethu ye-MDC sasiyodlala ne-SuperSport. Yeah, masiceda ukudlala ne-SuperSport ucoach Kevin Johnson bekakhona lapha egamini abukeni. Wangitshela ukuthi if nginesikhathi if ikole lesivaliwe mhlambe bo-December ngithi uthola ama-first team abasheshi bavala ngithi because of maybe they have an early fixture ngoJanuary. So I will train ne-first team before ngiye ekhaya maybe December maybe le 2 weeks before ngiye ekhaya then I will train with them then wangitshela ukuthi hayi keep going ufocus esikoleni because of isikole nebhola ziyahambiselana because of ekugcineni la kuyafundwa kuyareadwa everything you understand. Ngafocus esikoleni athi mangifunda ugrade 11 it was 2014 ngasayina i-pre-contract ne-Platinum Stars. Angicela ukusayina i-pre-contract ne-Platinum Stars so there was a time esikoleni bekunama-challenges ukuthi iy'kole zivalile zavalwa it was March, April zavulwa ngoJune isikhathi sakhona. So bengijima ne-first team full time. That's why ngithola i-exposure nokuthi like ebholweni kumele ube strong understand because of lapha kusebenza i-conditioning kakhulu. If your body is conditioning kahle like you will manage but if inga-conditioning kahle you won't manage because of kusebenza kakhulu like tactical work lapha. Okay fine ngajima ucoach was happy ngalendlela engidlala ngayo then ucoach wathi okay asenze kanje wena mawuqeda isikole uzobuya uzodlala ku-first team then mina i-first game yami ngaqala ukudlala against i-SuperSport it was 2015 2016 season my first game ngadlala ne-SuperSport then ngicela ukudlala ne-SuperSport lapho first game yami ngathola i-red card. Yeah, so ngicela ukuthola i-red card after
season leyo wathola 3 ama-red card.
Yeah, ngathola i-red card but good enough lucky enough kahle ngathola i-timer elikahle kakhulu Kevin Johnson because of wangitshela ukuthi i-hard work yakho it will always come nama-outcome akanje which is wena ukuthi i-process yakho
bophelela ne.
Yeah, you know when you're playing nama-senior player like they will always send you with a left shoulder go
Yeah.
by that time when you don't know what is happening you don't know who are you facing like maybe receive nyana, then you end up
Yeah.
yourself ukhahlela umuntu, then second year.
Uthola bobani ama-senior players Platinum Stars ngesikhathi leso uthunyelwa bobani?
At that time I was playing, no, it was Benson Mhlongo, normally, no, Velem Mudianga, Tsepo Kumete, Gibbs Tole, like bekwa Innocent Mkhabela.
Yo.
Yeah, bekwa ama-hotman amaningi. I think that's why even today nginga-struggle in terms of leading the team, because of ngidlale ne-environment okube they always want to lead. They want izinto zihambe kahle, izinto mazingahambi kahle like i-problem because of bakhona egroundini.
Hey ndoda ubala uBenson Mhlongo, leader of note, umuntu omkhulumisa loyo, and nawe ngithi ngiyakucala kumbabane Highlanders bowungicaptain, nakuna nje esichemeni ke seKaizer Stars bowungukaptain, and udlale noBenson Mhlongo una 18 years, ube nomthelelo ongangani uBenson ebizweni lakho?
I think uBenson Mhlongo ngizombonga ngokuthi ungikhulise ukuthi ama-situation engizobukana nona namhlanje angabi problem empilweni yami. In terms of being a discipline, always you look neat ukuthi abantu they must look up to you. Ngento eziningi, not only egroundini kuphela, but off the pitch ngale ndlela oyiphatha ngayo. Egroundini i-formality yakho like kuyomele ihlezi i-spot on. I-change room, you always fix the change room, like how we wear, ibhluku akumelanga lize la iy'nqeni, like you must be presentable ukuthi ngoba abantu abaningi they are looking up to you. So uma sobeka amabhluku la ukhombisa abantu abakubukelayo ukuthi hayi amabhluku a-right mawala, which is not a good thing vele for iy'ntwana ey'ncane ezikhulayo. So yena to be honest, he instill into okube even though in future you won't struggle because of usazowaface ama-situation afana nalawo.
Bowushare nobani i-room naku Platinum Stars first?
Ngishare naye uBenson Mhlongo. It was Benson Mhlongo, Bonga Nkosi Ntuli, Mbongeni Mzimela, sometimes we will be Mponjane. Yeah, because of to be honest, if udlala emuva, you must associate yourself nabantu okube badlala emuva ukuthi nizokwazi ukuba ne-common understanding.
Yo.
Yeah.
Izinto lezi ozikhulumako ubuningi bakhona zizwakala njengezinto ezicatshangiweko, yabona ukuthi nawudlala emuva fanele uhlale nalaba abantu, fanele uziphathe so. Kumsebenzi oqalene nawo nje ku-Kaizer Stars ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi udlulisa ilwazi elinjengalelo kulaba beza ngemuva.
Yeah, like for mina ngingajabula kakhulu amajita engidlala nabo, aboLekgatla, aboMthweni, aboMfukeng naboNtuli, ukuthi kusasa nami sengiliyekile ibhola ngibabuka abadlalela ama-big team. So nami into kube ingangijabulisa kakhulu because of nami abantu abangijabulisile bayajabula namhlanje because of ngisayenza lento le yokudlala ibhola. I think okuzongijabulisa ukuthi nami ngiye Orlando Stadium ngiyobuka umuntu okube bengidlala naye, ngikwazile ukumnika le information le emsizile ukuthi afike lapho.
Mina sinenkinga wathola 3 yama-red card ngesizini yakho yokuthoma. Angikhoni ukuthola, ngiyabona nje ukuthi bowuphelele. Kodwa nakunento ngokuthola i-red card isikhulukhulu nawusesemncane kangako. Happy Mashiyana wathola i-red card ku-final e-Champions League Kaizer Chiefs, azange asaphinda afane. Solo kwe-Champions League final leyo, solo siyaxhaka ukubona uHappy lo esambonayo. Uthatha lokho njengento efakazela ukuqina ngokomkhumbulo, namkha efakazela ukuthi kwakune foundation eqine kangangani around you at that time ku-Platinum Stars, ngombana uyithole kayi-3 ngesizini eyi-1 kodwa nawukwazi ukuthi uragele phambili ngebizelo lakho namhlanje naku usesekhona.
I think bhuti wami into ebaluleke kakhulu bhuti McDonald ukuthi abantu aba-around wena they play a big role empilweni yakho, abantu aba-around wena ngoba nawe nasendlini uma wenza iphutha ushayeka kakhulu, ubone ngathi like awubalulekanga emndenini, kodwa uma unobaba nomama bekwaziyo ukuthi hayi into ezikanje ziyayenzeka, kodwa ukusuka la kuyomele wenze kanje ukuthi lezi zinto ezikanje zingaphinde zenzeke. I think umuntu odlala i-role kakhulu empilweni yami uKevin Johnson because of ukwazile ukuthi mangibuya ku-red card anginiki ithuba elinye futhi ukuthi ngidlale. Because of omunye umuntu angeke anginikele elinye ithuba lokuthi ngidlale. Udlale i-role kakhulu empilweni yami because of nanamhlanje uwumuntu okube mangimbona ngibona ubaba wami ngoba udlala i-role enkulu kakhulu empilweni yami. Kukube ama-mistake azoyenzeka empilweni but akumelanga adetermine ukuthi kusasa uzoba umuntu onjani.
I-Platinum Stars yaba nenkinga-ke. Yaba nenkinga and iba nenkinga uqeda ukusayina ikontraka ya-5 years. Ngathi bekumnyaka emingaka emibili
Yeah.
yathengiswa njalo njalo. Bekwenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi leso? Bowunobani eduze kwakho? Ngubani bekakusiza ngaleso sikhathi? Ngiyacabanga nawuqeda ukusayina ikontraka ya-5 years mhlawumnye zikhona nezinto ozithengako khonokho uqale ukuthi nginekontraga yesikhathi esingaka. Uqale ukuthi mhlawumnye nakuphela ikontraga le ngizabe ngicedile ukuzibhadela. Yakuthinta njani indaba yokuthengiswa kwe-Platinum Stars uqeda ukusayina ikontraga 5 years?
I think yangi-affect-a kakhulu because of impilo uyiplana according to i-contract by that time. Yangilimaza kakhulu and bengisasemncane kakhulu isikhathi sakhona. Kunganayo umuntu ongisizayo. Abantu bakhona bawabiza ama-agent namhlanje. Kunganayo umuntu ongisizayo ngalesikhathi leso. Ngibe nenkinga lapho because of benginganayo i-agent and by that time bengiyi-development player. Ukube ngipromotwe yiyo le team le. And i-team engipromotile kwakuyi-team okube is always on the top 3, top 4. The season before sothola relegation sihambile sayodlala i-CAF. So me signing that 5 years angiregret but i-outcome yakhona ayibanga into ebengiyi-expectile because of i-Platinum Stars was a good team, was a team that's compete, win ama-trophy.
Yeah.
So me taking that decision bengingasi i-decision yokube ngicabange kakhulu because of bekuyi-team yokube i-foundation i-right, yonke into yenzekile ngoba ngihlalile ngibonile lapha. But into eyazwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi bathatha i-decision ukuthi bayidayise i-team. That's where izinto zaqala-ke zaba like other way around ngale ndlela ngiziplana ngayo.
Zikhona izinto mhlawumnye wawuzibambise ngekontraga. Wahamba wathenga ikoloyi namkha ini. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi yakuthinta kanjani personally kuwe mhlawumnye nemndeni nakho ukuthengiswa kwe-Platinum Stars mhlawumnye nokulahleka kwekontraga yakho yeminyaka emihlanu.
I think i-contract ayinga-affect-aka kakhulu kwindaba yemoto because of ngikwazile ukuthi mangiphuma ku-Cape Umoya ngaya kubuya Msuthu then I manage ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhokhela imoto like monthly. But yona ingilimaze kakhulu for umndeni wami because of iphupho benginalo ukuthi umndeni wami ube right ngisaseyingane ukuthi makufika lesikhathi lesa namhlanje kube ukuthi nginake mina nomndeni wami osenginawo ngalesikhathi leso. Kungilimaze kakhulu lapho ngoba abanye osisi bami abakwazanga ukuthola i-education bengifisa ukuthi bayithole because of umnotho bongasekho right njengaphambilini. I think ingilimaze kakhulu ngomndeni kakhulu. Ingakho kube lula for mina ukuthi ngikwazi ukubounce back because of angiqedanga into bengifuna ukuyenza. Like I'm still willing ukuthi ngibone ekhaya kuyikhaya ukube ngena nge-remote mangifika ekhaya like I understand wonke umuntu is willing for le mpilo le.
So i-Platinum Stars yathengiswa uCape Umoya, uRoger Disa uyeza ucoachile uRoger Disa. Unjani uRoger Disa? I mean uyakhamba nje uya ku-World Cup eNorth America.
Yeah, I think uRoger Disa is a guy owazi isitori sakhe. Uyayazi into yakhe uRoger Disa in terms of coaching and uwumuntu okube he believes on into okube mina mangifuna into yenzakala kanje izoyenzakala kanje. I think umuntu owaziyo ukuthi ufunani and umuntu okube like esikhathini esiningi ufuna ukukhula. Like ufuna ukukhula, ufuna ukuhlezi akhula like yena is a good coach kakhulu uRoger Disa because of ukwazile ukuthi ahlanganise amakhaladi nabantu abamnyama sadlala kwangabi neproblem. I think yena is a good coach kakhulu nakhona.
Manje uzithola njani ke usekhaya ngemva kwe-Cape Umoya leyo? Wazithola usekhaya, yakuthinta kabuhlungu khe ngakubona ukhuluma ngayo indaba khona ukuthi yakubangela ne-depression. Bowenzani isikhathi leso nabo usekhaya? Bowumuntu osele uthi uyilisile ibholo, uphumile ebholeni, bowuzula kezinye iindawo. Bowenzani ngesikhathi nawusekhaya ungasabonakali ebholweni?
Yoh, ayi bhuti wami ngihlalile yoh. Awole story leso singithasha kakhulu leso. Engihlalile angifuni ukutshela mangisuka ku-Cape Umoya ngihambile ngaya ekhaya ngahlala phansi ekhaya ngakhuluma ne-olady nabobhuti bami ngabatshela ukuthi i-situation isekanje. And i-situation njengoba ikanje angisana contract, angisana team and angina agent. You understand? So it's going to be difficult for me ukuthi ngithole i-team because of angina agent. You understand? So ngahlala ekhaya ngahlala it was close maybe to 3 months. Close to 3 months. Then ngabuya ngaza eJozi. Ngangihlala eJozi ngihlala ne-baby mama yami eJozi. Then kwenzeka ukuthi ngafonela ucoach Kabelo Sibiya, lo coach eHighbury manje.
Yeah.
He was coaching eBuya Msuthu. Wathi angisakuboni kwenzakalani. Ngithi hayi apparent situation kanje nakanje. Wathi hayi woza kuBuya Msuthu. Then ngahamba
Uyamsutha Northwest.
yeah,
ABC.
Northwest, yeah, ABC. Then ngayodlala i-ABC eNorthwest. I think ngidlale 7 games. Ngafika laphana end of February. Ngadlala 7 games.
Azange udlale nalama nomunye obuye eMamelodi bathi ngumhlongo striker.
Yeah, ngidlala nomhlongo striker. Yeah, he's a good striker.
Yes.
Yeah, ngadlala. Then iTuks ke yangibona lapho ke iTuks mangisadlala kuBuya Msuthu. Then ngaya kuTuks mangiceda ukuhamba kuBuya Msuthu. Then i-rough patch engibe nayo kakhulu. I-rough patch mangisuka kuTuks because mangisuka kuTuks ngibe ngahamba i-contract yami bese iphelile neTuks. Ngihamba ngayodlala lama-tournament waseGatsi vela ngina team angithi.
Yeah.
Yo ngathola i-injury enye ebuhlungu kanjani.
Ama-tournament nekahle.
Yo yeah. Thola i-injury enye ebuhlungu kanjani. Ngihlalile isikhathi eside. I was supposed to go for i-operation isikhathi sakhona because of bebathi ACL. Then I couldn't go to operation because of ama-funds bewangekho by that time. Yabo? Okay, fine. Sahamba. Ngiloku ngithandaza uNkulunkulu ukuthi angisize inini. Lucky enough ngaphola. Mangiphola ngathola i-team, mangithola i-team ngitholani? Ngithola iyona le iMbabane Highlanders. Ngiyahamba ngaya eSwatini. Ngifika ngadlala eSwatini.
Eswatini bakuthatha njani na ubuye eSouth Africa? Bakuthathela top ne? Nawubuye eSouth Africa ngoba nawo singcono
like i-standard se-league asifani.
Fine,
Yeah, asifani. So mangifika ngale I think ungisize kakhulu kweSwaziland because of nganginalento leyo ukuthi angingapholi kodwa ngiyafostela. Yabo? Mangifika lapha ngadlala like bengisengiyibuilda gradually because of i-league yalapha ayikho like njengale NFD or ABC yaseMzansi like ayikho competitive kakhulu. Okay, fine. Mangifika lapha eSwaziland mhlambe ngidlale 5 games or 7 games then ngiyezwa ngathi le pain ile is coming back again. Yabo? Ngacala ke manje ngiba ne-stress ke manje yabuya ke i-depression because of manje le pain sengisaba ukuthi ibuyele labe ikhona. Sengisaba nokujima ngayo yabo. Ngiyarelax. Lucky enough ngathola omunye udokotela vele eSwaziland angitshela ukuthi hayi no problem. If ufuna ukubypassa lento le operation is possible but i-medication iyadura. Uyayibona ukuthi njani. Then ngathenga lamapilisi lawa khona. Lamapilisi they were so expensive like ayi-2 waphuma maybe oma 700 800 ayi-2. Then you have to buy maybe at least 12 a month. Yabona ukuthi they were so expensive and i-league yaseSwaziland ayikhokheli like njengama-league aseMzansi. Okay, fine. Then sahamba story ngabuya ngaze eMzansi. Mangeze eMzansi ngafika ngahlala isikhathi because ngisasaba le pain le. Ngahlala ngafonela ucoach Kabelo Sibiya futhi ku-Black Eagles. then kunenye iBlack Eagles be-owner ilobaba lo beka-owner ley'cathulo ze-drip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Lehawu,
uLekau, yeah. So Black Eagles ngafika laphana ngadlala 2 season. Then after 2 season yadayiswa i-team for isizini yesi-2. Then mayiqeda ukudayiswa i-team banginika i-invitation uKaizer Stars uCoach Kenny. There was a fitness trainer there bathi uCoach Kenny. Wathi nge-off season if awumine ungezwa for ama-trials. Then I went ama-trials lapha iKaizer Stars bekuyisizini yabo yesi-2 baceda ukubuya kuma-playoff. Then ngaya kuma-trials izinto zihamba kahle. Ngahamba mangihamba ngaya kuphi ngaya kuKruger. Mangiya kuKruger ngifike ngadlala kuKruger I think October, November, then end of November
isizini aba-promoted.
yeah, from ABC. Benjengoba baya ku-NFD. Yeah. So end of November wangifonela uGennaro. uGennaro no bekusacoach uCoach Sandra lapha bathe mfethu hayi sidinga i-left centre back and bolana and si-happy ngesipani sakho. Unfortunately lo coach lo ongakusayinanga sebamhambisile sokuzocoacha mina. If awumind ungeza uzosayina cause sesibonile ukuthi udlala kanjani. Then ngafika kuKaizer Stars bekuyi-28 zakaNovember 2023. Yeah, 2023 yeah. Izinto like from lapho ngayimisela mangifika laphana I didn't have a great season ngesizini yokuqala because of angachievanga lutho. We didn't even go to the playoffs aswelanga ku-top 3. So uma umdlalo ungekho ku-top 3 ku-NFD awachievanga lutho. So kusuka lapho ngayimisela i-support from umndeni wami ukuthi ungagive up ungacabangi kakhulu ungacabangi kakhulu. I think lento le ye-depression bhuti wami it's not something okube intsha or something yabo, like thina sabantu abamnyama siphila ngayo lento le. It's just that ukuthi ama-outcome wakhona wena ukuthi usuke kuwo like usuka kanjani, like ukugoloza kwakho ukuthi ungabe trapped esikhathini esiningi because of i-trap leya. It's not like i-disease, like it's a trap okube ma umuntu ungakwazi ukuthi usacrifice uphume kuwo ma uyimiselile.
Ukhulumisa indaba yokuhloga i-agent njengezinye zezinto ezikuthindileko ebizelweni lakho. Ngesizini yakho yokuthoma ku-Platinum Stars i-Chiefs kuthiwa beyikufuna hayi lo. Ziliqiniso kangangani iinkulumezi begodu bebakufuna bese ufunwa babantu emoyeni namkha there was contact? How close were you ukuthi ungajoin i-Chiefs?
It was very, very close, my brother. By that time, i-problem yazi ukuthi kube yini? Kube ukuthi i-Platinum Stars they still need my service by that time, and akuna agent, akuna umuntu okube uphusha i-deal yami because of even the manager told me ukuthi are you ready ukuthi you compete for i-Chiefs? Then ngamtshela ukuthi angiready mina. So into eyenzakalile laphana ukuthi mina if I had an agent by that time bengizokwazi ukuya kuKaizer Chiefs because of it was my first season. I-Platinum Stars ingidevelop me, they still wanted more kusuka kumina, you understand? So mina by that time if bengine agent maybe beyizoyenzeka le movement le because of mina by that time benginganayo isay because of my development player. Abantu bangise esikoleni like bangenzela into eziningi i-platform yokuthi ngibe la ngikhona today.
Lilo singakhuluma ilanga eliloke nje mina solo sesikhuluma sicheje ikhambo lakho. Kuyabonakala ukuthi kunengi okwenzekileke ebizweleni lakho begodwa uthanda ukuthi mhlawumnye ungabelana nathi. Kokugcina ke nasele sivala ngathini kubalandeli besichema seKaizer Stars.
Ngithanda ukuthi kubalandeli beKaizer Stars sibonga kakhulu ngesupport yenu isho okukhulu kakhulu kuthina and futhi engakuthembisa khona ukuthi nizeni ngama-numbers njengoba sidlala eLucas Moripe Stadium against Leicester Fort ukuthi sokwazi ukuphusha lento esiqalile izolo sephambili ngayo ngoba ipossible if ninathi niyazi ukuthi kulula kakhulu ngoba sesiwu-12 egroundini ngana. Ngabonga kakhulu for isupport yenu.
Sithokozile bhuti.
Ngibonga kakhulu Thami.
Mlaleli, sithokoze khulu kusibekezelela besikhuluma noSiphamandla Mlilo, umdlali nongikapteni esichema seCashrick Stars, indoda enesibindi yaphakama e-Orlando Amstel Arena betha ipenalty lokuthoma ngakulelo hlangothi lelo, dosa phambili isichema-ke seCashrick Stars. Thembe ukuthi sababona kuma-playoffs namkha sisababona ngaphakathi kwe-Betway Premiership. Sharp.